embedded networking. Define bus. A system bus is a single computer bus that connects the major component of a computer system, combining the function of a data bus to carry information, an address bus to determine where it should be sent, and a control bus to determine its operation. Give the limitation of polling technique. The polling technique, however, has limitation. It is wasteful of the processor time, as it needlessly checks the status of all the devices all the time. It is inherently slow, as it checks the status of all input and output devices before it comes back to check any given once again. When fast devices are connected to a system, pooling may simply not be fast enough to satisfy the minimum service requirement. Priority of the devices determined. What is serial port communication? Serial communication transmits data one bit at a time sequentially over a single communication line to a receiver. Serial is also a most popular communication protocol that is used by many devices for instrumentation. Numerous GPIB compatible devices also come with an RS-232 based port. Why serial port communication is necessary? In computing, a serial port is the serial communication interface through which information transfer in or out one bit at a time, in contrast to a parallel port. Throughout most of the history of personal computers, data was transferred through serial port to devices such as modem, terminal, and various peripherals. What are the serial communicating protocol? Serial communication is the process of sending data one bit at a time sequentially over a communication channel or computer bus. This is in contrast to parallel communication, where several bits are sent as a whole on a link with several parallel channels. What are the three ways of communication for a device? Separate clock pulse along with the data bits modulated with clock information, embedded clock information with data bits before transmitting. Differentiate synchronous communication and isosynchronous communication. Synchronous communication, when a byte or a frame of data is received or transmitted at constant time interval with uniform phase difference, the communication is called synchronous communication. Isosynchronous communication is a special case when the maximum time interval can be varied. What are the two characteristics of synchronous communication? Byte maintain a constant phase difference. The clock is not always implicit to the synchronous data receiver. What are the three ways of communication for a device? Isosynchronous communication, synchronous communication, asynchronous communication. Define SPI, SCI. SPI, Serial Peripheral Interface. SCI, Serial.
Please subscribe our channel for more videos and educational contents.